Just doing some trading in the pre-London session. Just grabbed a short off of yesterday's point of control. We had the first touch of yesterday's point of control. Had this big pullback up to the yesterday's point of control area. So I grabbed a short there. It was also at whole number. Bounced down 10 points. Hopped into a little short before the London Open here. We came up to this special volume line from the key levels. Went for a short there. We had some cumulative delta reversal. Then the ADX started turning bearish. We just pulled back to the yesterday's point of control. I just grabbed a short. I saw we were coming up to previous day value area high. You can see back here this orange dotted line right at 28.50. I was just about to push the button, and right when I was just about to push the button, it dropped like 4 points. So I got in maybe around 24, and there was just not that much room down to the 20 SMA here, so only got a few points, but I wanted to get out right around the 20 SMA area there. Just took a long here off of the London Open. It was also this imbalance level right here, and we had two washout signals as we were approaching, and also the delta percent went to neutral. We had a white candle here, so I grabbed a little long there. Just logged on for the early morning session here. We were down here around whole number. I was just about to get into a long. It was right in the middle of this huge cluster of imbalances, and we were starting to get some imbalance signals and a washout signal to the upside. Then I started doing something else on my other computer, and I looked back over. The thing already popped up 40 points in a couple minutes. Then I looked to see if there was some news, and yes, there's 8:30 news. Usually not up this early, so I hadn't checked yet, so good thing I didn't place a trade, although it would have worked out. Got into a little short here at the 50 level. We just dropped down about 8 points. Had some washout signals building up, and the delta percent candles went neutral. Just got some Chaikin divergence on the 5-minute ES. Getting a nice move down there. A lot of delta coming in right before the market opens. Had some cumulative delta reversal arrows up here. Some divergence, point of control up into all these wicks. ADX turned bearish. Delta outlines turned bearish. Delta percent candles were bearish. Heikin-Ashi was bearish. Probably a good place to get short up there. Quite the pop up here at the open. 2,500 delta on the 1-minute NQ. That's very rare. Believe it or not, I did get into a little short up here. Just looking at the R1 pivot on the ES. Grabbed a little short on the micros. We did have some negative delta coming in up here. Just enough to get a little retracement. Could have put a pending buy and sell right before the market opened. Would have caught this initial push up there. Definitely not trying to put any pending buys or sells at the moment. We're right in the middle between these key levels. I'm more of a market order kind of guy myself anyway. I might never use this feature. I got rid of the imbalance signals that was making the chart lag. Might never release that indicator. I don't like anything that I can't use in volatile markets. That was one of the reasons I got rid of the one footprint chart I was using. Just lagged in volatile markets, couldn't trade with it. Trading the off hours and regular volatility was fine, but not high volatility. But the core MMT indicators, they've been working in all kinds of volatility for over a year now, so pretty happy with the core base. Getting all these delta diamonds to the downside, some cumulative reversal arrows, getting a nice pullback here. Just got into a short here at R1. We're also coming up to VWAP on the ES. We had this mighty move down, pulled right back up to R1, grabbed a little short there. It's almost 11, gonna be done for the day. Been using the delta push setup today. This template is in the MMT templates product. Then I've got basically the same setup on the 5-minute charts, just no delta diamonds, and I've got some different divergences on there. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. And in case you didn't hear, Apex has the 90% off sale for Labor Day weekend. And they've also got a special deal on the lifetime PA activation fees. It's $85 lifetime activation fee for most accounts, and then only $37 for the 250K and the 300K. For the lifetime activation. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely amazing. Thanks so much for your support. I wish you best of luck in your trading, Thanks for watching. Have a great day.